Hi, in order to help students solve physics question better, I will ask them to list down 7 important physical quantities of physics. They are displacement, velocity, acceleration, force, energy, power, and intensity. You realize that when we are dealing with physics questions, these are the main physical quantities that we have to calculate or have to bear in mind in order to solve the physics question. Next, I will ask students, how will you link up one physical quantity with the others? So let's move from displacement all the way up to intensity. Displacement is linked to velocity by the equation v equal to change in displacement for change in time. Velocity to acceleration by acceleration equal to change in velocity over change in time. Acceleration is linked to force by this equation. Resultant force equal to mass times acceleration. How is force related to energy? Change in energy is equal to force times displacement if force is a constant force. Energy is linked to power by power equal to change of energy over time, and last but not least, power is linked to intensity by the equation intensity equal to power over area. If we are able to get students to write this out at the start of their examination and have this piece of information placed at the side before they attempt any question, they will be able to kind of identify the areas they should be focused on when they are solving certain physical quantity. For example, if they are dealing with kinematics question, then they will be dealing mostly from displacement all the way to acceleration without touching the rest. If we are dealing with question regarding work, energy, and power, you might need to use physical quantity from displacement all the way up to power. If you are dealing with a quantum physics question or wave motion questions, you might have to deal with displacement all the way up to intensity. One important or one interesting thing to note is from displacement to force, all these physical quantities are vector quantities, and from energy to intensity, all these are scalar quantity. So I'll tell students that it's very important to know vector addition, because without the knowledge of vector addition well enough, you would not be able to deal with physical quantity from displacement to force, and ultimately it's going to affect your calculation of energy, power, intensity as well, although these are scalar quantity. Thank you.